Assalamualaikum and very good day to Sir Amzari and everyone. Today, we will like to present our group assignment called Examflow. Next. Okay, so this is our team member. Firstly, my name is NADIA.
My name is SABRINA.
My name is FARHANAH. My name is HUSSIN.
Next. Okay, so I would like to present introduction first. Examflow is a mobile application developed using Flutterflow to provide students with a more convenient way of accessing past year examination paper. Nowadays, past year paper are one of the most important revision material because they help students understand the exam format, identify important topics, and prepare more effectively before examination. Although UiTM provide examination paper through the Permata system, students still need to browse through several web pages before finding the paper they need. This process can sometimes be time-consuming, especially when students are searching for multiple subjects. Therefore, we developed Examflow as a dedicated mobile application that centralizes all examination paper in one platform. Besides allowing students to search and access examination paper quickly, the application also provides additional features such as interactive quizzes, bookmark functionality, discussion forum, and a personalized dashboard. These features are designed to create a more interactive and engaging learning experience compared to the existing system. Next. This is our problem statement. The first problem is time-consuming navigation. Students are required to go through several layers of web pages before they can access a past year paper. Sometimes the website season also expired, forcing students to repeat the searching process. The second problem is the limited feature available in the current system. At the moment, students can only view or download examination paper. There are no additional learning tools such as bookmarks, quizzes, or discussion platform that can support their revision process. The final problem is the lack of a single-purpose platform. The current examination paper repository is integrated into a large digital library system that contains many different academic resources. While this is useful, students who simply want to search for past year papers may find the system more complicated than necessary. Next, we go to the objective of the project. The first objective is to develop a mobile platform that enables students to access examination paper easily at any time and anywhere using their smartphone. This provides greater flexibility and convenience compared to the existing web-based system. The second objective is to organize examination paper according to course, topic, and academic year. With a structured search system, students can quickly locate the paper they need without spending too much time searching. Finally, the third objective is to promote active learning by providing interactive quizzes, discussion forums, and learning progress tracking. Instead of simply reading past year paper, students can test their understanding, discuss difficult questions with their peers, and monitor their own learning progress. Next.
Thank you, Diana. So now we will proceed to user flow. So as you can see, we will begin with the start button, and then it will open to the apps. So then it will navigate to the login or register pages where the user are required to create an account if they doesn't have any account. But if they have an account, so they are required to log in. In order to log in, they are required to provide an email and password. So if any of them are incorrect, it will show an error. But it is if both of it are correct, it will log into the dashboard. So in the dashboard, it will show several pages. The first one is search paper. So search paper allows user to select paper and then view the paper question. From the view paper question, users are also allowed to bookmark and save, and it will end of the flow. And then for the second flow is comment discussion. So these pages allow user to select subject and then post a discussion, and then this discussion are allowed to receive a message from the other user, and it's the end of the flow. And for the quizzes, users are allowed to submit the answer and then view the progress. And then it's the end of the flow. And then the next one is the notification pages. So the dashboard are equipped with the notification interfaces. And then it will end off the flow. And then the lastly is the profile pages. So users are allowed to edit the profile and then it's end of. So now I will demonstrate the uses of the application itself. So this is the interface of the login and register of the Examflow. So as you can see, there is a logo and then email and password to be filled in. And then if you don't have any account, you can sign up. First, they are required to enter the name. So for example, HAZLINE. And then for email, enter your email. And then for password, and then you have to confirm the password. And then click sign up. So it will take some time. Okay, so as you can see, the notification show that email is already there. So we will navigate back to the login page. So right now we are in the login page. Now enter the user the email that already have an account. Sorry. Okay, then enter your password and click sign in. So it will navigate the user to the next the dashboard pages. So okay, so this is the dashboard pages. As you can see, there the interface show that a welcoming page. So users are allowed to see some of the images, and then it also provided a navigation link button to the other pages such as subject library, quizzes, bookmark and share answer, and also a profile pages. So right now, and also in dashboard pages there is a notification features. So as you can see, this is the notification from the message sent from the other user in the discussion that will explained by the other presenter. So now we will go into the subject library first. So click subject library. As you can see, there is the search button function and also the list of the other paper exam that are kept in this subject library. So now we will click one of them. So it will show one of the exam paper that we have. So when you click here, it will navigate user to the exam paper itself. So here is the exam paper. So now we go back. So this is the back button. So now we will try to use the search function. So now search, for example, database. We want to search database paper exam, and then click the search button. So here it will display the paper exam itself. So now I will pass it to the other presenter.
Now I will explain about the bookmark. I will explain about the quizzes section. This is the section where user can answer the quiz that they want to take. For example, they can click on this subject, which is ICM661, and click here to answer the quizzes. It will show the first question, and the format is just true or false, so they have to answer it with their knowledge. And for example, they have the first question is true, and click next and answer all the questions. They can click the back button or the next button like this. Okay, for example, next they have to answer all the questions until question 10. Click here, true, false. User have to answer it with their knowledge they have gained from the information. And until the last question, and it will pop up the how many score that get from the quizzes. So click the S button, and I will show you the bookmark section. Click here, and it will show you all the subject that user already save for their later research. Like this is the paper that they already saved. And click back, and next it has a share answer section. User can click any subject that they want to view the sharing answer by the other user. For example, they can click the answer for this, and this doesn't have any answer yet. They can click the plus button to put the answer. For example, they can write here any answer that they want, and they can also put the description that they want, and click the submit button. So it will show the answer here, and it also have three icon button: the edit button, the delete button, and also the comment button. They can click on the edit button to edit any answer that they want to change. For example, like this, and click the submit button. And for the delete button, they can also just click here and delete the answer. And for the comment, they can click the button and share any comment that they want on this answer section. And click the submit button. This is the button when the comment section will go to the notification icon at the dashboard. And they can also click delete to throw the answer like this, and click the back button. And user can also change their profile picture. At here, they can view their personal information. For example, they want to change their name, they just click here and click like this, and click the save change, and the new information will be here. And for the picture, they can click here and choose the new profile picture that they want, like this. Click here, and it will pop up the new profile picture for the user. And they can also click the help center, and also the term of service that already provided by the Examflow. And they can also click the logout button to log out from the exam apps.
Next, I will explain the significance of this project. Examflow provides a more efficient and user-friendly way for students to access past examination papers. Through a dedicated mobile application, students can find revision material faster and more easily compared to the current system. The application also promotes active learning through interactive quizzes and discussion forums, where students can test their understanding and share knowledge with others. So in addition, the bookmark feature and personalized dashboard help students organize their study materials more effectively. So Examflow also benefit lecturers and administrators by providing a centralized platform to upload examination papers, manage quizzes, and monitor discussion activities. So next. So even though Examflow provides many useful features, it still has some limitation. So first, the application is developed only to support the revision process and does not replace the existing Permata UiTM system or serve as an official academic repository. So second, Examflow requires a stable internet connection because most of its features use file-based service. Besides that, the availability of examination papers depends on the resources uploaded by administrators. Lastly, the current version only supports students from the Diploma in Information Management programs. So for the recommendation, there are several recommendations for Examflow. So first, the user interface should be updated to make it more modern and attractive. A custom profile photo feature can also be added to provide a more personalized experience. Next, a countdown timer and a learning analytics dashboard should be included to help students manage their time and monitor their learning progress. So finally, Examflow should be expanded to support other faculties and academic programs, and offline mode can also be introduced so students can access previously saved papers even without an internet connection. So for the summary, Examflow solves the problems found in traditional academic repository systems such as the electronic question paper system. So it provides a mobile application with useful features such as a centralized library, bookmark feature, interactive quizzes, and a discussion forum to make revision easier and more interactive. So the application is currently limited to the Diploma in Information Management program and require an internet connection. It still helps students save time, organize their study materials, and improve their revision experience. So in conclusion, Examflow provides a more convenient, interactive, and engaging learning environment for both students and administrators. Thank you. That's all for our presentation.